So I was driving around in Anaheim today and I ran across this place. It's called West Coast Arborist. And what really attracted me to it was I saw this guy in the tree trimming the trees. We'll show you that picture in a second. And I noticed that they sell wood slabs. So I want to see if we can do a tour of the place that sells the slabs and see what they have to offer inside. So follow us to the slab shop. So here's the mannequin and the arborist up in the tree, trimming the tree that got my attention. And then I'll show you the signs that brought me here that said that they had wood slabs. So something in Anaheim I wasn't aware of. What they do is they cut down local trees and they provide and sell the lumber to people. Where before they used to cut these trees up and just throw them away, and now they're saving the wood and selling that so that we can use the wood for woodworking. So as we're getting closer, we can see the sign that this is the Street Tree Revival Urban Wood Recycling Program, where they sell slabs. And this is what also, when I was driving by, I noticed. So we're gonna go in there and see what they have to offer. So this is the side of the building. We're gonna go over to the east side. It looks like the entrance, but these are the hours of the tree service, the Street Tree Revival. I'm looking forward to going inside and see what they have to offer.
Walnut.
And some of them, he had some other stuff.
That's black walnut.
That was elm.
And that's carob, 141. That's eucalyptus.
Oh.
That's eucalyptus,
you're seeing
444. Yeah, yeah.
I wasn't seeing it.
Yeah. Eucalyptus. Wow, look at that. Elm. Elm. Blue gum. Blue gum. Ficus. Elm. Black walnut. Double cookie slab. What is this again?
That's oak.
That's
Right?
oak.
Yeah,
Yeah.
slide up with epoxy in there.
Okay.